Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets app not working. So to start, fully close Google Sheet. So swipe it up and swipe it away from the recent apps, then reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. Next, go to your phone settings, scroll down and go to General. Next, scroll down and go to iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and look for Google Sheet. Click Show All, then tap Sheets. So here you need to click Offload App. So this will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So click Offload App again to confirm and wait for it to process. Next, tap Reinstall App to place back your data. Then just wait for it to finish reinstalling. Once done, go ahead and open Google Sheets again and see if that works. Next is to go to your App Store or Play Store, then search for Sheets, then open Google Sheets, and if there's an update button available, click on it to update the app to the latest version. Once updated, open it and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.